we have to prove that light is necessary for photosynthesis. And secondly, the oxygen is also being released as the activity of photosynthesis. Both the things we have to prove. So we have done a setup. A beaker is being taken along with an inverted funnel. Water is being filled in the beaker, and even when we invert it, then the water also raises up in the funnel up to here. Then this whole setup is placed in sunlight. After some time, when photosynthesis occurs, after some time the oxygen is being released in the form of bubbles. As the water is there, so it is pushing the water and the bubbles are coming up. So both the motives are clear, that light is necessary for photosynthesis and oxygen is released as a result of photosynthesis. Now the last activity is activity 5, which has the motive that we have to prove that carbon dioxide is required, or it is very much important for photosynthesis. So we have taken a plant and we will insert one leaf in a conical flask which contains KOH. KOH is potassium hydroxide and it absorbs the carbon dioxide. Now, once we insert the leaf inside, then we'll put a lid. It is still attached to the twig. Fine, the leaf is still attached to the twig, and we'll place the cork here. This cork will not allow any air to enter this conical flask. Now the CO2 which is present in the conical flask is being absorbed by KOH. So there is no CO2 for photosynthesis. So after 4 to 6 hours in the sunlight only, when we will take this leaf for the starch test, because starch test is going to show us that the photosynthesis has happened or not. So when we test it with the help of iodine solution for starch, the leaf will not give the starch test, because in the absence of CO2, the photosynthesis has not happened. So this was the end of our chapter. Bye bye, stay safe, happy Sunday.